Welcome to Shoe Dialect, teaching you everyday English. My name is Daphne, your very own ESOL teacher. For today's tutorial, I will teach you jobs vocabulary. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. First up, we have secretary. And again, repeat. Secretary. The secretary works in a big office. The secretary works in a big office. Good job. Second, we have fireman. The firemen. The firemen are very well trained. And one more time, the firemen are very well trained. Now moving on, we have farmer. The farmer. The farmer takes good care of animals. The farmer gets up early every morning. Well done. You should pause the video to stop and repeat if you need more time. Next up, we have taxi driver. This is a taxi driver. The taxi driver has a passenger in the car. A passenger is in the car. And again, repeat after me. This is a taxi driver. Moving on again, we have hairdresser. The hairdresser. I need to go to the hairdresser for a haircut. I need to go to the hairdresser for a haircut. Or you could say, I would like to curl my hair at the hair salon. The hairdresser will curl my hair. Very good. Pause the video and repeat it again. Finally, we have chef. This is a chef. The chef is cooking for customers. The chef is cooking for customers in a restaurant. It's a top-rate chef. Wonderful. That is the end of my lesson today. Subscribe below for updates on new videos. Thank you. Bye for now.